Okay, so diving right on into making some fresh pasta today, I'm starting by bringing 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to build me a little mound, and in the middle of my mound, I'm adding 4 eggs. And once I get all my eggs cracked, I'm going to start mixing them in the middle. As I'm mixing them, as you can see, I'm kind of adding in some flour along the way. What you want to do is mix your eggs, and while you're whisking them together, kind of giving them a scramble, if you will, you want to add in some flour so that way it'll start building our consistency for our pasta. The consistency that we're looking for is going to be really thick and just pliable. So all that flour that you have is there for you to use. And you're going to, of course, have to get your hands a little dirty here. So along with getting our hands messy, we're going to be needing some elbow grease here, because we're wanting our egg and our flour to be incorporated extremely well. This is going to help the consistency, the thickness, and that great texture that we all love from pasta. So this is where we're just going to keep kneading it and getting all those cracks and crevices of our flour and our egg. We just want everything to come together great. Now, when you see that you have a nice pliable product, you can get a rolling pin or anything that you may have on hand and start rolling out your pasta. Now all I'm doing with this roller is just prepping my pasta for the actual roller and the cutter that it's going to go through. And here's the fun part. This was the best part about making pasta, you guys. So what you want to do is start on a thicker setting on your attachment, give it a nice fold, and then just run it through again. And this helps get rid of those impurities, and you'll have to run it through your cutter a couple times. And then look how it just changes. This was just so much fun to do. Then depending on the type of pasta you're making, I'm making spaghetti. So I added my spaghetti cutter. I cut the pasta in half. And look how gorgeous this looks. I was just so amazed. It's so much fun. I swear I can make pasta all day with this. It's just so much fun. And so I pretty much repeat those same steps. I'm running it through my spaghetti cutter or pasta cutter, and you might have to give it a little tug because the pasta tends to start to get a little bit moist. Just give it a little tug and it'll come through. And then just hang it up on a rack or lay it out on paper towel or whatever you have on hand. And then it's ready to boil.